In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload, add, recolor, and position your logo in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your brand mark into a design and make it look clean, consistent, and on brand. First, let's get your logo into Canva. Head to the Uploads tab, click Upload Files, and select your logo from your device. PNG and SVG are recommended. PNG is great when it has a transparent background, so it sits nicely on top of photos or colored shapes. SVG is a vector format, which keeps your logo crisp at any size, and, importantly, allows color changes inside Canva. Once the file uploads, you'll see it appear in your Uploads panel. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a moment. Larger files can take a few seconds. Next, add your logo to the canvas. Simply click and drag it from the Uploads panel into your design. You can drop it onto a template, a blank page, or any layout you're working on. It behaves like any other element, so you can stack it over images, shapes, and text. If you're placing it in a corner, leave some breathing room so it feels intentional and balanced. If you're working with an SVG logo and need to tweak its color, click the logo on the canvas and choose Edit Image. When the file is truly an SVG, you'll see color squares representing the parts of the logo. Click a square and pick a new color to match your brand palette. If your logo is in PNG or JPG format, those color squares won't appear. Canva can't directly change their colors. For quick adjustments, you can try effects and look for duotone or color mix to shift tones, or do a full recolor in external software before re-uploading. Keep in mind that multicolor SVGs may show several swatches, so adjust each one as needed. Finally, adjust the size and position. Use the corner handles to resize while maintaining proportions, and avoid the side handles so you don't stretch the logo. Drag it into place and watch for smart guides that help center or align it with other elements. If you need precision, use the position options to align left, right, center, or distribute spacing, and nudge with your arrow keys for pixel-level control. Keep the logo large enough to remain legible, but not so big that it overwhelms your layout. If a PNG looks blurry when enlarged, it's likely too small. Scale it down a bit, or replace it with a higher resolution or SVG version. And that's it. You've uploaded, placed, recolored when possible, and positioned your logo perfectly in Canva.